Understanding Gentle Cycle, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of the phrase, gentle cycle. This term is commonly used in laundry contexts, but what does it actually mean? Let's find out together and make your English learning journey a bit easier. Gentle cycle refers to a washing machine setting designed for delicate fabrics. It uses a slower spin speed and a milder washing motion to prevent damage to sensitive materials. This setting is ideal for clothes that are labeled hand wash or delicate. It's important to use the gentle cycle for certain types of clothing and fabrics. This includes items like lingerie, silk, lace, and lightweight cottons. Using the gentle cycle helps to preserve the fabric's quality and appearance. To know when to use the gentle cycle, it's helpful to understand laundry symbols. These symbols give instructions on washing, drying, and ironing. A symbol resembling a tub of water with a hand or a delicate icon indicates the need for a gentle cycle. When using the gentle cycle, remember to 1. Use a mild detergent. Strong detergents can be too harsh for delicate fabrics. 2. Avoid overloading. Give your delicate items enough space to move freely. 3. Consider using a mesh bag. This can provide extra protection for very delicate items. We hope this explanation of the gentle cycle has been helpful. Remember, taking care of your clothes properly can extend their life and keep them looking great. Stay tuned for more English language tips and tricks. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.